Hey, it's Adele from Let's Get Inkie, and we are on the final step of insert number 3 of my Traveler's Notebook. But first, a little trip down memory lane. So this is the first insert that we finished, several years ago now, I think. And I always like to finish my Traveler's Notebook inserts with a big old stick and plonk of stickers. And it's a fantastic way to use up maybe stickers that have been hanging around in your stash for a while. And I also just makes me happy to stick stickers down. When I was a little girl, I had one of those, those sticker books where you could adjust where the stickers went, so you could stick them in and then take them off and put them somewhere else. Repositional, that's the word. And I know they have them now. And the one that I had carousels and Ferris wheels and unicorns and all of these beautiful pictures in it. And I think it's from there that my love of sticking and plonking stickers begun. So today we are covering insert number 3, and this is just a shorter little bonus video than my usual monthly content. And I wanted to record it just to be a little happy in your day, and just to keep you company for a while in this wild world that we're currently in. So the first thing that I always do is I like to stick some thick washi tape over the spine. And the reason for that is because stickers don't like spines. They don't like bending. I've learnt that the hard way. And even though I know that, I do try to push the boundaries of some of the stickers in today's video, but alas, the washi helps cover up the spots. Now, my previous 2 inserts were from Traveler's Company brand, and they were the 003, which are just the blank ones. This one, however, was sent to me by a beautiful inklet, and I think someone told me it might have been a Felicity Jane one, and I've absolutely loved it, but I wanted to keep the consistency with the other 2 inserts that I have in my collection, and so I am sticker-firing it. And I have quite a few of these planner sticker books that are made by Mambi. Yes, by Mambi. And they are fabulous, but I don't pretty plan. And so a lot of the time I have these blocks that are meant to be used, in the boxes in your planner. And so they're a fantastic way if you have any of those lying around, and maybe you don't do pretty planning, or maybe you do and they're just ones that you haven't used, or you've got doubles, or they don't take your fancy. This is a great way to cover up lots of areas very quickly. You could also do the same thing with scrap bits of paper as well, but I decided that stickers were my thing for this one. So each of the inserts kind of have their own colour scheme, I guess you could say. The first one I felt was it gave me like a lot of cottagecore vibes, and there was a lot of florals and yellows and greens and things. And then this one I decided to go quite bright, and with big pops of red, which red isn't a colour that I usually reach for with stickers, and I think that's why I had a lot of red ones left over for this one. But I'm just going through, and I'd always do the big ones first and then layer things over the top, especially things that can't perhaps be overlapped, like words that are cut out. I also tried to do a few crafty themed stickers on this one. I had this sticker sheet that had a whole bunch of like planners and pencils, and so I thought it was appropriate to stick all of those on. This insert has been really fun to work with, and if you have stumbled across this video, and it's the first Inkie video that you've watched, how are you going? G'day. How's your week been? I have recently just put up a flip through of this particular insert, and I think the next Journal With Me video is number 56. So there's 55 other Journal With Me videos, as well as flip throughs for my previous 2 inserts as well, if you feel like watching some Traveler's Notebook goodness. And this one has been a really fun one to work on. And something that I really liked about this particular insert is that the paper was a bit different. than my previous ones. It was a very crisp white colour, which I prefer for journaling, and it was also a little bit thicker, which meant that I don't know, it just has a bit of a different feel when you're flipping through it. So it's probably my favourite insert so far. I have started the next one, which you will see very, very soon. And yeah, that one will be coming up, and I have changed. Oh, that's something I need to tell you. I've changed the way that I'm going to do the Journal With Me videos from now on. I have decided to make them all double videos. So every Journal With Me video from now on will have 2 double page spreads. So that will be exciting, because I felt like they were getting too short. And I know when I sit down and watch a journaling video, I like to, have enough time to also journal along and do a page too. And when I sped everything up double time fast, they were only coming out as 6 or 7 minutes, and I wanted to make them a bit longer for you guys. So look forward to that coming up soon. I now am going to put this little sticker and the number 3 for which insert number it is. And I'm pretty much done. So I do, after all of this is done, cover this with clear contact off camera, because those stickers, as you can already see, don't really want to be there. And I did try and put them over the spine, which was very difficult to put the contact over, but it worked eventually. Just needed a bit of extra patience that I perhaps didn't have. So I hope you've enjoyed this little quick random little video. Make sure you subscribe for more journaling things, and you can check out my other channel, Inkie Quill, for some scrapbooking fun. And have a rad week, peeps. Bye.